Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to change the language in the Gemini app. Start by opening the Gemini app on your device. Give the app a moment to load. Once it is open, look at the top right corner of your screen. You will see a small profile icon. Tap on this icon to open your account menu. After tapping the profile icon, a new screen will appear. This screen contains several options related to your account and how the app behaves. Scroll down slowly until you find the option labeled Settings. Tap on Settings to continue. Inside the Settings menu, you will see different sections. Take your time and look for the one called Languages. This is the section that lets you change or add languages in the Gemini app. Once you find the Languages option, tap on it. You will now see a list of available languages. The app allows you to add or switch to any language you prefer. When you see it, tap on it to select it. The app may take a moment to update. After that, the interface will switch to your chosen language. That is all you need to do to change the language inside the Gemini app. Thanks for watching.